The secret to longer life. Scientists uncover unexpected health benefits of eating small fish. Discover the surprising health benefits of eating small fish. Scientists reveal how these tiny powerhouses can contribute to a longer, healthier life. #health, #nutrition, #small fish, #longevity, #shorts. Hey everyone! If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Now let's dive into today's topic. First, what do we mean by small fish? We're talking about sardines, anchovies, mackerel, and similar species. These fish are often overlooked but packed with nutrients. Small fish are nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients play a crucial role in heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. Recent studies have shown that regular consumption of small fish can lead to numerous health benefits. One study found that people who eat small fish regularly have a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Another study revealed that small fish consumption is linked to improved brain health and cognitive function. Imagine boosting your brain power with a simple dietary change. Eating small fish is also more sustainable and environmentally friendly. These fish are lower on the food chain, require fewer resources to harvest, and have a smaller ecological footprint compared to larger fish. Now, how can you incorporate small fish into your diet? Here are some practical tips. 1. Add sardines to your salad or pasta. 2. Use anchovies in your sauces and dressings for a flavor boost. 3. Grill or bake mackerel for a delicious main course. And 4. Try small fish as a healthy snack option. Here are some delicious and easy recipes to get you started. From sardine toast to anchovy pizza, these recipes are sure to make small fish a staple in your kitchen. Don't just take our word for it. Here are some testimonials from people who have experienced the benefits firsthand. Incorporating small fish into your diet can lead to significant health benefits and contribute to a longer, healthier life. So why not give it a try? Thanks for watching. What's your favorite way to eat small fish? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and discoveries. See you next time.